Have you ever wondered about nursing? Nursing is a job where you help people who are sick. Nurses are like superheroes. They save lives. In nursing, you get to care for others. Nurses make sure patients, the people who are sick, get the right medicine. They also make patients feel comfortable. Comfortable is when you feel good and relaxed. Just imagine you get to make people feel better every day. Nursing isn't just about medicine. It's about feelings too. Nurses help patients feel better, not just in their bodies, but also in their minds. This makes nursing a rewarding job. When we say something is rewarding, it means it makes you feel happy and satisfied. Nursing is also like a big school. You learn new things all the time. You learn about science, about medicines, and how to understand people better. It's a great job for people who love to learn. But you know what's even cooler? Nurses can work anywhere. They can work in big hospitals, small clinics, or even travel around the world helping people. Diverse is a word we use when there are many different options. So nursing offers diverse or many different opportunities. And the best part, there are always jobs for nurses, because everyone, everywhere, needs care. So nursing can give you job security. That means you are likely to have a steady job. Isn't nursing amazing? You help people, keep learning, and have many options for where to work. Plus, it's a job that makes you feel good and is also safe and secure. If you ask me, nursing is a fantastic choice. Now, let's do a true or false vocabulary quiz. I will say a statement, and you decide if it's true or false based on the words we've learned. So, let's begin. First statement. Care means to ignore someone's needs. True or false? That's false. Care means to look after someone's needs. For example, nurses care for their patients. Second statement. Rewarding means something that makes you feel happy and satisfied. True or false? That's true. Rewarding means feeling satisfied because you have done something well. For example, nursing is a rewarding profession. Third statement. Diverse means having many different options. True or false? Correct. That's true. Diverse means varied or different. For example, nursing offers diverse job opportunities. Last statement. Security means having no protection or safety. True or false? That's false. Security means safety or stability. For example, nursing provides job security. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time!